Hey guys, Francis here with TheBrimFactor, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create an account on GeegPay. A GeegPay account will be really useful to you if you earn online. Maybe you're a freelancer or an affiliate marketer, or maybe you want to get into arbitrage, so you want to get your money in dollars and then convert that money into your Nigerian naira at the best exchange rate without having to go to the black market to do your exchange. Everything is done totally online at the comfort of your home. It's a lot like the Grey.co account that I have done videos about on this channel, but this one also has its own uniqueness, and that's the reason why I am bringing it to you guys. And also you need to have many of this type of accounts just in case one goes down or something. So without wasting your time, let's get into it and start creating the account. So the website is geegpay.africa. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So once you're on the website, you want to go to the top right corner here where it says open an account, of course. Click on that button. So what you want to do is enter in your full name, of course, your email address and your password twice, and then enter in a referral code if you have one. Of course, you can use my referral code in the description when you're creating your account. So once you do this, you click on continue. So an email has been sent to my phone with the code for verification, and I'm just going to enter that in here quickly. And now my account is created. That's the thing I love about this website. It's so easy to create your account. Of course, you're still going to do some other settings, which I'm going to walk you through right now, providing your documents and all of that stuff. But really, you saw how easy it was to actually have your account up and running. To make sure that your account is fully verified and everything, you want to go to the settings page. And then here you can see you can start to enter in more information. Let's start by editing our personal details. You can go in and enter your nationality, enter in your phone number, your date of birth, and your time zone, your signature. For signature, just enter in your full name, and then you enter in your passport number and then your occupation. And then for your address, you enter in, of course, your address, where you live, and then that will be it. Also select for contractor type if you are an individual or an entity. It's as straightforward as that, and then click on save. Now if we go to the next tab, which is beneficiary, this is where you enter in a bank account that you want to make withdrawals into. So if you have money in USD and you convert that money to your Naira wallet, and now you want to send that money out of your Naira wallet into your local bank account, this is where you're going to enter in that bank account details. Next, we have the security tab. This is where you can change your password if you want to, and this is also where you can turn on two-factor authentication, which is nice that they have this for an extra layer of security on your account. And then the next and final tab is identification. So this is where we need to do a little bit of work. We need to upload some documents. So you can see here that this is pending. We have to upload our ID verification. So I'm going to click on this right now. So when I created this account for the first time, I saw that you could not use your NIN, but I think that has changed now. So guys, you can use your NIN. So you want to click to proceed if you have an international passport, voter's card, or driver's license. But if you want to use an NIN, I guess you can just click use NIN. But I want to use an international passport, so I'm going to click on that. And now you can see it says here, let's get you verified. So for this part, I have to use my smartphone. So you need a smartphone in order to continue. So on my mobile phone, I'll log into my account on my web browser. They do not have an app right now, so you have to do this on your web browser. So I'll just go to settings on my account and click on the three dots here, go to identification, which is where we are. I'll click on the ID verification and proceed. I am going to come to this place where I can start a session to start to verify my account. But to continue with this, we have to allow our browser to use our camera for capturing. So I'm going to click on the security icon there, the padlock button, and there will be a drop down. You see permissions, and the camera is currently blocked. So I'm going to toggle that on to give permission to my browser. And now I can go ahead and try this again. Start a session, allow. And as you can see, my browser can now take pictures. So now you can take a picture of your ID, make sure there is no reflection of light and that your ID fits the frame. And then we will get to the next step where you will take a selfie passport. Also make sure that you're well exposed, there is enough light in the shot, and make sure that your face fits the frame. Make sure that all of the shots that you take are very clear. So once you enter in your ID for verification and everything goes through, you are going to have your account looking like this. You would see that the ID verification says completed. In fact, everything says completed now, and your daily transaction limit is $5,000, which I think should be enough for a lot of people's needs for daily transactions. Now that you have your account set up, it means that you can go on and start making transactions. You can go to accounts and then create your virtual account. I've created some virtual accounts already, but to do this, all you need to do is click on the create account button up top here, and then you can choose the currency. And from the drop down of currencies, you can see we have the USD and the Nigerian Naira. The Euro and the GBP seem not to be available right now, so I think they're going to add this on in later updates or something. So if you want to create a USD virtual account, click on the USD and simply click on create. The process is almost instant, and you're going to get yourself a USD virtual account looking like this with all of these details. You link this to your PayPal, to your Payoneer, or you can even send it off to your clients in the US. Take note that this account will only work for clients who are in the US, who are paying you from a US bank account. So send it off to your US clients and they can send money directly into your USD virtual account on GeegPay, and that's how that works. I've actually not created a card, but let's see how that goes. So I'm going to create a new card. I'm going to give it an alias here and say, so I'm just going to put in my name there. You have the option to get a physical card or a virtual card, but for right now the physical cards are not available. We're just going to select virtual and click on continue. My card fee is $3. Yeah, let me do this just because I want to show you guys how it works. So amount to add, let me just add $3 in there. Yeah, I do have $33. Very convenient. Just take the $3 on top. So I'm going to click on submit now and see how long it takes to get a new card. Refresh, and sure enough, I have my virtual card right now. So I can add funds to this. I can copy the details and link them to somewhere like PayPal, which I'm going to try actually. Maybe in another video I'll try to use this on PayPal to see if it can work for withdrawals. Also, they have this loan facility thing here where you can apply for a loan. It's nice to know that you can apply for loans on a platform like this. Gray.co does not give this option, so it's nice to know that it's available here, even though I am not an advocate of loans on apps like this anyways. So you can convert your money from one currency to another. Right now, from USD wallet to your let me try to do from USD wallet to my Nigerian wallet. I'm going to do $1, and you will see that the exchange rate right now is 597.72. So this changes every now and again based on what's happening in the market, which is why I like platforms like this. You get the best exchange rate. So if you want to get into arbitrage, or you earn money as a freelancer or an affiliate marketer, or whatever you do online, earning in dollars or in euros or in pounds, you can get the best exchange rates, very similar to what you would get on the black market on the streets if you live in Nigeria. So that's why this is amazing. You don't have to go out. Everything is done right on the app, on the website, from the comfort of your home. I hope that you found this video helpful, guys. Thank you for being around. Thank you for being a part of the family. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you've not already done that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.